Oh, what's up, guys? Picture this, you've spent countless hours studying charts, perfecting your entries and exits, saving up a decent sized capital, only to find that your trading growth seems capped. You're stuck. The problem, traditional broker accounts just aren't giving you the leverage, the confidence, or the environment you need to truly scale. You find yourself thinking, is there a way to tap into bigger capital without risking your entire life savings? Or how do I get the mentorship and proper risk protocols that can turn my decent trades into genuine breakthroughs? Today, I have a solution that might just unlock that next level, a prop trading firm, not just any prop firm. Let's dive into Daytraders.com today. Before we jump in all the way, remember to learn more about how to day trade, head on over to tradingwithforrest.com. Over there, I teach everything I know, guiding you from the basics all the way to advanced day trading strategies. This is a brand new offering, announcing it in this video. So yeah, check it out. Check it out. Tradingwithforrest.com. There's a course. Sign up for the course. It's a cool course. This is Daytraders.com, a prop trading firm that claims to give traders the capital, the tools, and the community they need to excel. With their funded accounts, you can trade real money provided by the firm and in return, split the profits. Intriguing, right? But let's see what makes them stand out. Now, disclaimer, I do have 3 accounts with them, static accounts. I'll be trying them out as well. Just want to mention that as we go through this video. So let's talk about their funding model. Daytraders.com offers tiered funding challenges, which isn't new. You start with a qualification phase, meet the profit targets, and following their risk rules. Once you pass, they fund you with a sizable account. The benefit, you're not risking your own huge capital up front, and they have strict risk management protocols. Some people call these rules, I call them rules. But nonetheless, that structure, support, and scaled resources are key ingredients for breaking through the trading ceiling that you've been hitting if you're in that phase of your trading career. Their platform integrates directly with major trading software, offering stable execution, advanced charting tools, and a community chat. The tools aren't just flash, they're functional, with seamless trade execution and analytics that help you understand your performance. You'll know exactly where you're winning and where you can improve. Cool, so we're here on Daytraders.com, just brought it up on my phone. We're gonna do it this way. I never do this on my phone, but speaking to somebody and they told me, Forrest, I never look at websites on a computer. So showing my age a bit, I'm not a youngin', despite, I know, hopefully how young I look. You never know. But right now, good mobile design, and we'll say that. So risk your own money, not, it says risk our money, not your own. It'd be funny if they said, risk your money. So they do have a sale going on right now, which you can see on the screen. You can use code FORCETRADING if you want to support me and my channel and have me continue doing these reviews. Love and appreciate all of you. So on their website, so they did change their website from the first video that I did. Looks quite different now. At the top, you can immediately just jump into their pricing, which is nice. Immediate call to action makes sense. We see their breakdown for their trailing accounts. Now, obviously, you guys can do whatever you want. I'm a fan of static. I think if a firm offers static accounts, you should just get the static accounts, right? It's much more similar to a real account. Are they the best static accounts on the market? No, just based off of cost per profit target, but they are static accounts, so they are good nonetheless. Love to see it. We'll definitely add them to my stack of accounts, right, if I'm looking to scale. Again, how does a static account work without spending too long on it? If I make $100 today, my drawdown doesn't change, right? It just gets added to the pile, just like a real account. Now, if I lose $100, then yeah, I'm getting close to that drawdown. So the 50K static allows you 3 micros, earnings target of 3,750, and you have $1,000 of drawdown. So it's a 50K account. It's really a $1,000 account. All the prop firms play this little game where they give you 50, 100K, whatever accounts. That's not really what they are. It's a $1,000 account that you're spending $200 on. So still 5xing your leverage, and you're getting access to 3 micros. So the real math is you're spending $200 to get access to 3 minis, which is 30 micros, which at full margin, by the way, right? If you want to trade 3 minis, if say NQ, that's about 18K per contract, right? So still an insane amount of leverage. 100K gives you 4, your drawdown is $1,500, and the 300K is $3,500 of drawdown. So with that much leverage, you should be able to hit those profit targets just fine if you have a system that works. If you don't have a system that works, then yeah, it'll feel tough, but there's no reason why you couldn't make $12,000 with that much leverage. I mean, that's an insane amount of leverage. Even with $3,500 of drawdown, I can tell you guys, I've done it. I've grown a few accounts now, just challenging myself from like 1K to 30K, just like personal accounts in NinjaTrader. So actually thinking about doing a series on that. Life has gotten so busy, I haven't had time to put all the footage together, but it's like a crap ton of footage. So nonetheless, it's totally possible to grow a small account when you have access to leverage. So that's the account breakdown. I love the website. I love the way it looks, well made. They have some stuff about why people value them. That's cool. Live support. I will be trading them. Again, I did have 3 accounts, so I'll be trying them out myself. Just throwing them onto the pile. See if we can pass. I'm gonna trade normally. I have too much going on to necessarily just focus on trading these accounts. So I'm just gonna literally copy trade them. If you wanna understand how to copy trade across firms, check out my video on setting up copy traders with, I can't even remember the name of the copy trader. I'll put it up on the screen right now. I'm drawing a blank. But yeah, they support Rhythmic, quant hours. So I'll have to figure out how I want to trade them. Actually, if they're on Rhythmic, I'm not gonna be able to copy trade because you can't have multiple Rhythmic accounts. And I do have Rhythmic accounts already. But yeah, they have an affiliate. I am an affiliate. Use code Forrest Trading. Check it out. So good website. I like it. It's simple. It's to the point. Fast access to the actual accounts. The one thing that I always look for is the rules. So is there a fast way to understand what the rules are on the homepage? That's what I'm always looking for. Most firms hide it in an FAQ somewhere. Let's see if there's a little drop down. No. So there should just be, I would love if a company would just put, here are the rules on the homepage, not hidden, just in your face. Here are the accounts. Here's the rules. So again, if we go to these accounts, okay, view pricing has a trailing, total drawdown, scaling. It doesn't mention if you could trade on data days. It doesn't mention if you can scalp, things like that. So I'm sure all of that information is in their FAQ. I'm not going to dive into it right now. This video will be forever, but always check those out. Every single firm has a different type of nuance around this, whether tier 1 news, whether it'll blow up account, whether the daily loss limit is just for the day, or if it actually blows up your account, like Take Profit Trader, right? They all have some small little nuance. So make sure you look into that before you make a purchase, guys. And again, if you're new to trading, okay, obviously I do make money as an affiliate of many of these firms, but my recommendation is always to start with a sim account, or even consider start trading in your own account first. Okay, one of the things that can happen is if you start with prop firms is you chase the prop game, and even if you're only making $50, $100 a day, you miss out on actually keeping that money. Okay, so if you're consistently profitable, I've been able to pass a lot of evals, consider just starting in your own account. That's 100% okay, guys. You don't need to chase these massive payouts from prop firms. Then once you build up some confidence, then you can scale with prop firms. It's totally fine to do that. You don't have to start with prop firms. You can, prove to yourself that you're a good trader, then come back to prop firms and, grab yourself 5 of these accounts using code Forrest Trading, of course, and go ahead and get some leverage. Nonetheless, good website overall. I like it. I've decided to add random jokes into the middle of all my videos. So here's the first one. Why? Because I can, guys. Because I can. Okay. Hey, my chart setup just said it's going to give me a breakout. Oh yeah? That's what I call my back after sitting at my desk for 12 hours. Actually, this is a ChatGPT generated. This is a terrible joke. Don't include that, guys. All right, next section. So let's talk about their community and support model. So one thing that sets Daytraders.com apart is their vibrant community. In trading, isolation can be your worst enemy. Here, you've got forums, group mentorship sessions, and a network of traders who've been in your shoes. It's like having a team of coaches and peers cheering you on, keeping you accountable, and helping you grow. That certainly can be highly beneficial. I'm a huge fan of mentorship and community, especially if you're gonna be sitting at your desk every single day. Now, in terms of the cost, fees, and profit splits, okay, the challenge costs depend on the account size, as we just saw, but once you're funded, the profit splits can be quite generous, often starting at a good share for you and scaling better the more that you earn. This model incentivizes steady, disciplined trading. Again, if you take this route, remember to go ahead and use my affiliate code. Remember that initial problem, being stuck, capped by your own capital, and not having the right structure to push forward? Well, you can check out Daytraders.com. They might be the stepping stone that you need. Just did a quick exploration of their platform, their funding model, community support. They provide a structured pathway to scale your trading so you could finally break through that ceiling and reach the next level. And as always, if you want to go deeper into learning all the ins and outs of day trading, you can join our Discord at walk.com/tradeedge. We day trade live every single day. You don't have to do this alone. We will give you the roadmap, teach you everything that we know. Also have a coaching program, like I mentioned earlier, and also have a course, which I'm dropping right now. Nonetheless, thank you for watching. Subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace.